The following video is based on post-processing of Fluent-based simulation on a ducting. The results can be analyzed using contours, volume renders, and streamlines. Each of the three methods of data display incorporates different parameters such as temperature, pressure, static enthalpy, etc. The lower end of the duct is specified as the inlet, meaning the top part is the outlet. Firstly, the contour of the eddy viscosity with number of contours set to 100. The greater the number of contours, the more detail is represented. Afterwards, the second contour represents pressure throughout the duct, keeping in mind that the locations for these parameters are designated at inlet, wall, and outlet of the duct. Moving on, the static enthalpy contour is displayed. Turbulence kinetic energy is the fourth contour for the purpose of analysis. Y plus and Y star are dimensionless parameters used to characterize the near-wall flow behavior in turbulent flows. They are essential in understanding the accuracy of your simulation results, especially when it comes to wall-bounded flows. The next four are volume renders of the previously mentioned parameters at a resolution of 250 and 0.7 transparency, because contours are 2D representations, while volume rendering is a 3D visualization technique. Contours are typically displayed on surfaces, whereas volume rendering visualizes the entire volume of the data. Lastly, streamlines are generated for velocity, as other parameters are not changing for appropriate visualization. The contours, streamlines, and volume renders can be overlapped for better understanding the results.